Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. As you can see today, on Tuesday, we have rallied ever so slightly, currently trading at 12,535. At one point during today's session, we did go as high as 12,560, but since then we have given back 30 points. Nevertheless, we're still trading in the green. It's been a very good trading session today. What I think that we're seeing right now, we've seen a lot of rotation in the past couple of weeks. The reopening trade, as they call it, where the airlines, the hotels, the hospitality stocks, the Ubers, the restaurant stocks have done very, very well. And, the attention has kind of been taken away from tech. But we rallied so high in November. And I think what's happening now is that we got to a point where we were overbought in the opening trade stocks, the likes of the airlines, for example, which some, by the way, have rallied 40 to 50%, like American Airlines, like Boeing, in the month of November. So I think now that we're considered to be overbought in those type of stocks, we're now seeing some rotation back to tech, and that's why tech's been doing very well for the past week or so. And we're just pretty much trading at all-time highs. We're about 50 points away. We're about 120 points away from trading up at the all-time highs. The RSI is still looking very healthy, and I am very bullish going into Christmas. As I mentioned several times on previous videos, that we are about to experience the most e-commercial Christmas that's ever happened before. People are scared to leave their homes to go to the shops. There's spiking coronavirus cases in Europe. There's spiking coronavirus cases in the US. It's never been as high as what it currently is now, and people, as I mentioned, especially the elderly people, they are too scared to leave their homes. So that's going to result in them buying their loved ones Christmas gifts online. So what I'm expecting to see is reports from Adobe, for example, just after the Christmas period, of a record number of online retail sales. And, that's really going to drive the earnings in January. We're going to see Q1 of 2021, towards the end of January. And I am expecting blowout quarters, especially from the big tech names. Also, Apple is doing very well today. It announced last night that it's going to be increasing their production of the new iPhone, which is very encouraging. That means the sales must be very strong, and Apple's up 4% today, and that's what's probably given Nasdaq a lot of strength as well. So I'm a very, very strong buy here in Nasdaq 100. As I mentioned at the end of most of my videos that I post on a daily basis, if you sell this indice, you will likely lose money. Don't try and outsmart the markets, especially if you're a retail trader and you're new to trading. Do not try and sell this, because this is this indice is a product. At the end of the day, it's an indice, and these products were designed to go higher, and that's exactly what this indice has done for the past couple of decades. It moves higher and higher and higher, but occasionally, yes, we do get a dip, but it's very difficult to cherry pick when these dips will happen. What you're best off doing is buying the dip. So for that reason, I'm a buyer. I think 2021 is going to be a great year for the Nasdaq 100, and I see a 10 to 20% growth going into 2021 as the economy returns. So for that reason, I'm a buyer. No interest in selling. RSI is looking healthy. From a technical perspective, we're looking healthy. From a fundamental perspective, I don't think tech's ever looked at better. So for that reason, I'm a buyer.